Here's an easy fingerstyle you can do with D chord, even if you're not playing guitar that long. And instead of strumming your chords, you will be able to replace it with a fingerstyle, making your practice much more interesting. Also, you could think about maybe playing fingerstyle for the verses and possibly strumming with the nail for the choruses to give it an even more variety. As always, you need a reference point. For me, it's the heel pad on the bridge, but you could use your little finger or third finger or both touching the guitar somewhere, but you do need a reference point. My knuckles will always be high. It's not possible to play good fingerstyle from there. You can see how far away the knuckles are from, and you can see how long the thumb is. So they're not going to crash into each other. Very often beginners end up like this, and that gives a scrapey sound on the strings. You need to keep the thumb out like a hitchhiker's thumb and the fingers back, and that having your knuckles raised helps a lot to do that. For D, the thumb starts it on the 4th string, first finger on the 2nd string, thumb on the 3rd string, first finger on the 1st string. And that's it. Thumb on 4th, first finger 2nd, thumb on the 3rd. And you learn it slowly, and as you get better, gradually speed it up.